Hey, what is up, guys? Hope everyone is blessed. Happy Thursday. If you can hear me and you can see me perfectly clear on your screen right now, drop a 111 in the chat box below if the chat is open. So let me check if the chat is open. I'm not sure where the chat is. Chat should be open. I just can't find it. Okay, there's it there. Cool. Welcome everyone to tonight's call. I'm excited. I don't usually do these calls, but I put a poll out a few days ago, and I put a poll out on the trading room for everyone, for all our team members, to actually take a poll and understand whether they wanted a Q&A session, whether they wanted a deep dive into understanding what the different products were. And the reality was, most people didn't understand. They think iGenius is just a Forex company, a Forex education, and a Forex, signal service provider. iGenius is way more than that. And, after posting so many different results during the week on cryptocurrency, how we made over, 3x our money on a certain coin, how our crypto elite bot made, 100% on certain strategies, how coin rule is working, how travel pro is working, different things that you have access to. You might be on the certain membership that gives you access to that, but the most important thing is you don't even understand that, but you're only focusing on Forex and you're only focusing on the alerts and the signals. You probably don't even know about the different educators that we have and how powerful these Learn Lives are. So today we're going to deep dive into it. We're gonna break down each and every single service for the best of my knowledge. Again, I'm not an expert, but I've been with iGenius from January, so I understand every single product, and I'm in every single product because that's my nature as a leader and as a person that's been involved in business. I want to get involved in every opportunity to make multiple streams of income and grow my wealth, right? So we're going to go into it. It's going to be very different. You can stop me, you can ask me questions while I'm speaking about a certain topic. This is recorded for some of your team members. I know in certain places like Mauritius, it's really late. Just give me 1 second. Someone started their video. Spotlight. Cool. Yeah. So, in certain places in Mauritius, that's why it's recorded. So guys, again, this is something that I'm doing for the first time, explaining this. So again, just bear with me if I, go a little bit off track or if I talk too much about a certain product, but I want you to be immersed in this. I want you to understand what you have. I want you to see if, it's worth for you being on the elite membership, because again, that's where I'm at. That's where most people are, the leaders are on the elite membership. But this is not about, getting you to go up to the elite membership. This is to actually understand, okay, cool, I'm on choice. This is what I have, and this is what I'm actually using. Select, this is what I have, and this is what I'm actually using. Premium, what I have and what I'm using. Elite, I know some elite members are only Forex traders. That's crazy, okay? So this is why we're here. I'm gonna share my screen real quick, and we're gonna basically go into it. So I'm gonna go through each one, right? We're gonna go through Endow last, or close to the bottom, or if I forget about it, just remind me. But we're going to start with each one. We're going to go through the back office and, choice, select, premium, and elite. So the choice membership, a select membership, premium, elite, premium membership, and elite membership, you get access to everything in this blue column here, right? So it's the university, the Learn Live, the Money Pro, the Market Pro, the Forex Thrive, which is split into two things, which I'll chat about, and then commodities alerts. So let's basically go into it. Yeah, Mary, the recording will be on the Team Expansion YouTube channel. So let's go into it, right? So basically, let's start with the university. I'm pretty sure every single one of you know about this, so we're just going to go through this quickly on the university side. I do this on the onboarding side as well. The university, everyone should be in it. Everyone should have access to it. But if you don't, where to get it, it's under education. And the university is split into two things, the Market Pro and the university. The Market Pro, okay, if you're writing down notes about certain topics that, what you have access to. So the Market Pro is going to teach you exactly what it says, becoming a pro in the market. but actually getting the basics of the market down in your knowledge and your learning ability, right? So that is what the Market Pro is going to do for you. But let's deep dive into the Market Pro. If you didn't already know this, the Market Pro has so much more to offer than just being a education platform. Okay, I myself use it for more than the education, because this is cool. Okay, the education is here. You can see all of this is completed, but you have some ebooks here which you can download and you can use. But it's these resources right here, the market research, which you can use on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so if we open market research, you'll understand that this is updated by iGenius every minute of every day when there's new breakdowns. Okay, so if you're a trader, okay, and you're trading on your own, you want to learn how to trade on your own, maybe you don't understand, certain things, you can watch, the breaks. So you can watch the breakdowns of different analysis that the experts put for us on this market channel, right? The market research videos. And this, you can see it goes on and on and on, multiple different days, different pairs. So certain traders, certain investors like to follow certain pairs. I'll give you an example. I saw it right here now. I'm a very big Ethereum investor. I love the coin, the Ethereum coin. So I pay very close attention to what happens to Ethereum technically, and I pay very close attention to what happens in Ethereum fundamentally, okay? Because both are very important if you are investing into a certain coin. I know some people that own a lot of Bitcoin, and this is something that gets updated every other day. What is happening with Bitcoin, about the market technically and fundamentally every single day, every single other day, this gets updated. So again, I know a lot of Forex traders, they say you can't have 100 girlfriends, you can't have 10 wives, you got to have one wife, okay? Multiple two girlfriends if you want to, okay? But you stick to a certain Forex pair, okay? And that's what they generally say. I know, we as a team, we like to trade gold together. A lot of people like to trade gold. If you are, a gold trader, it'll come up here. The XAU analysis for the day will come up here. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find the gold analysis. Maybe not. Should be here. Should be on the other one as well too. I'll show it to you. Okay, I can't really find it, but anyway, it's got some stuff here, and it might be under technical analysis. So again, the technical analysis is your news. Okay, it's actually fundamental analysis. They put it under technical analysis, but they just, if you're looking at Matic, which is Polygon, and if I'm talking gibberish to you, just let me know. If you look at Matic, which is a certain coin, it gives you the news for the day on this coin, right? So when people say they don't know where to go to find news, they don't know where to go to find research certain things, come to your back office, come to Market Pro. Everything is here. Again, this is one key thing. Ethereum absolutely broke out of its support zone today. The reason being, and it'll tell you why it's doing so, okay? It'll tell you everything, why Solana is just trending right now. So use this to the best of your ability. There's market news as well. So this again gives you up to the minute market news. 15 minutes ago, S&P 500. Again, if you're trading on your own, okay, you're not using alerts, you're not using signals, you are your own independent trader. This is where you come to actually gather information for the day. This is where you come to actually understand, hey, this is where the market is going for the day. This is where the market is going for the week. This is the outlook that the experts are giving me. This is how I can use it in my analysis. Okay, Ethereum's price increases by 12%. Everything is here, guys. Everything is here. This for stocks, for equities, if you trade the US stock market, everything is here. So that's the market research side, and then you've got market signals. So a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people, they don't know that we have signals every single minute of the day that gets updated here. And it's equity signals, crypto signals, Forex signals. And you can filter it here, right? So if you want Forex signals only, you can filter it by Forex. You can see there's Forex signals. They give you the time frame to enter it on. Actually, it's the time frame that it's been analyzed on, the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. Everything's there for you to just copy and paste if you want to. I know a lot of people that sit at work and they can't use their phones, so they have to sit behind a laptop, they have to sit behind a desktop. They use this, right? They've got it running on their screens, they got it running in the background, and they refresh it after every few minutes, or after 30 minutes. They just see, okay, cool, what new trades are out, what new trades can I take, and then they take the trade. A lot of people are at work and they're using the services like that. So it's just another way for you to actually understand, hey, I'm a choice member and I have access to this for market signals, and I'm at work, I can use it, or I have a laptop, I can use it, I've got it on my phone, whatever the case may be. So that is Market Pro. Market Pro is not just education. It's not just video courses. It's not just ebooks. Okay. We also have an economic calendar and a cryptocurrency calendar. If you didn't know, it takes you to that. It gives you the news. It's pulling data from a certain source and putting it up here. So when someone says, okay, cool, let's check what happened, today, that's what happened. That's what made the market move. And it's, going to have news for tomorrow, Friday, already done here. You can see the GBP coin. So all the GBP pairs will go absolutely berserk around that time. And then if you look at the cryptocurrency calendar, will tell you very, very key information about crypto and when it's going to move. This is one of the biggest things that's happening in crypto right now. It's the reason why Ethereum went up about $400-500 in the last week, is because the date of the merge from being proof of work to proof of stake actually got released. So again, if you paid attention to the calendar, you read the news and stuff, your investments and your stuff will be absolutely secured, right? So Mary says, only watch the alerts. Yeah. So Mary, again, this platform, if you look at it, so much of value for the choice members. When you get access to Market Pro, you can deep dive into it. So again, now tell me something, guys. Drop in the comment section below. How many of you guys actually use this like fully? And if you don't, say you don't. And if you do, say you do. Okay, how many of you actually use this to the full capability that you actually have access to? Let me see. Okay, don't. Pragasan don't. Yeah, man. Like most people don't, because they didn't understand. They didn't know that this actually exists. Come, guys. Who else? Mary, don't. I didn't before. Anne, yeah. Sandy didn't. Yeah. I actually only figured this out after like a month or 2 months into iGenius. So don't feel bad. Okay, don't feel bad. It's crazy the amount of stuff we have. So that is the Market Pro. Okay. Now that's a crazy value. That's insane value that you get. And that's just, that's not even everything. That's just the tip of the iceberg. So let's move on from the Market Pro and let's go. So is there any questions on the Market Pro, guys? Any questions on the Market Pro? Let me know. Clear, just drop clear. If you understand. If there's questions, just drop the question so I can answer the question. And we're going to move on to the university. Amazing, cool, clear. So just so you know, use it to the best of your ability. Teach your new people that you enroll, your customers that you enroll, to actually use it as well. I know a lot of us are just customers only on this call, but use it as much as possible because it's so much of value. Now let's talk about the university, okay? Because everyone, again, gets access to the university. Once you're done with Market Pro University, you're going to go into the actual university. And the university is broken down into equities, Forex, binary options, cryptocurrency, crypto law, SK Academy, SK Crypto, okay? And again, I know so many people that just focus on maybe Forex and binary options. And they're like, yeah, that's it. And it's cool, I understand. Like, we know time is of the essence to a lot of people, but procrastination is the killer of most people's success. And the reason being is that they say they don't have the time, but they actually do have the time and they have the resources to actually utilize, but we're not utilizing it to the best of our abilities, right? So when we look at the university, guys, the university is going to take you from a beginner to an intermediate. You cannot trade on your own yet. I'm just making you very clear on that. You cannot do anything on your own from going through the university. That comes in through the Learn Live. So the university, when you look at equities, it's going to teach you again basic education of equities, advanced education of equities. Okay, it's going to teach you forex, basic education of forex, advanced education of forex. Binary options, binary options is the only thing that you can trade after you're doing this, okay, and then jumping onto a few lives. So binary options, basic education, binary options, advanced education. Crypto, same thing, basic and advanced cryptocurrency, right? Then you've got Crypto Lock. Who's watched Crypto Lock, by the way? Let me know if you watch Crypto Lock. Maybe you don't even know what Crypto Lock is. Okay. Who's watched it? Shweran's watched it. Okay. Great. Anyone else watched it? Anyone else watched it? I've watched it. Let me know if you watched it. Okay. New to me. Yeah, man. So what Crypto Lock is, he's actually one of the most wealthiest Bitcoin guys out there, and he's a famous YouTuber. And he basically teaches you everything that you need to know about crypto and about the market, about the cryptocurrency market, specifically designed for iGenius, right? So again, if you're a select member, because remember, select members, you get access to cryptocurrency, you get access to Crypto Lock. So let's just pull up that slide here real quick. Here, okay? So if you look right here, you know, select members, you guys get access to Crypto Core, which includes Crypto Lock included in there. So again, utilizing the products, utilizing the services is key for your education. Now let's go back here. So the the Crypto Lock, it's short. It's a short series. It's 6 parts, but it's amazing. It's amazing value. It's amazing education. And that's what you get for the select membership, right? Now, let's stop for a second. Okay, let's stop for a second because now you have SK Academy. I'm just going through select more than choice right now. So let's go back to the screen where new share. So we have, you know, we did the university. Now let's talk about Learn Live, right? Now Learn Live is the most popular place to learn because a lot of people love to learn live. So once you click Learn Live, you get access to thousands of things, thousands of sessions that you want to, you know, take part in. And you probably get confused and you wonder which ones do I need to, you know, focus on and stuff like that. So firstly, I know there's multiple different languages that we have, but let's just talk about English. You have different educators every day. Now, if you're focusing on Forex, okay, if you're a choice member and you're focusing on Forex and binary options, you know that you get access to FX Pro Basics. That's, you know, Ralph that trades every Tuesday and Thursday. He's adding in a 3rd session. So amazing. He's going to add in a 3rd session. I actually spoke to him today. And how he works is he's going to teach you till, you know, he can't teach you anymore because it's going to get a stage where he cannot teach you anymore. He teaches you the strategy of trading. And then he's going to move on to trading live with all of us, which is going to be exciting to actually trade live with him. He's a very successful trader, makes a lot of money every week, between $6,000 to $8,000 a week trading Forex. So, you know, having him part of our team and having him, you know, teach us is absolutely cool. So back to the Learning Live platform. Now, Learn Live is you jump on these calls. You know, there's a call tonight on crypto. This guy, Dave Bush, and he basically breaks down the crypto market every single, you know, Thursday. And you can go through, you know, what's tomorrow. This is how you can plan your day. You know, if you're again select member and above, you get access to SK, and I'll speak to you about what SK is. There's nothing over the weekend. So again, there's no educators that work on the weekend. And then Monday, you know, we have, you know, Jay Pal, which is an amazing crypto educator. He speaks about the NFT space, the metaverse space, and also what coins he's holding. And then you have different traders, introduction to binary options. So Trend Pro, this is a bit of equities as well. FX Pro Atlas live session, another educator. So if you wanted to get more value, if you want to get more strategies, you want to get more techniques, you wanted to brush up on certain things, you'd go through your Learn Lives. You can go back, you can jump on these Learn Lives, learn from them, understand what they're all about, and see how much of value you can get from these Learn Lives, right? So we spoke about Learn Live. Now the Learn Live is where you will actually start to learn how to trade on your own. It's going to take you from being an intermediate with the knowledge in your head to actually applying it and actually taking the trades in the Forex market, the binary market, the crypto market, right? Because this is where the actual application happens. And the market changes so rapidly, especially in crypto, that we need to constantly watch these updates and these Learn Lives every single day and every single week, so that we can stay up to date with the market and stay up to date where our portfolio is going. Okay, so Money Pro, who's done Money Pro? Drop a comment in the chat if you've done Money Pro. Okay, drop it. I know only one person in my team's done Money Pro. Okay, okay, now I know two. So, okay, done, amazing. Okay, no one else done Money Pro. So let's go look at it. Okay, probably you don't even know what Money Pro is. So Money Pro, guys, is a money management course. It teaches you on cash flow, how to build up cash flow, how to get out of debt, how to reduce your expenses, how to increase your income, this debt freedom system. It is tailored a lot to the American system, but you can apply it to anywhere in the world. Okay, it is very undervalued. Correct, Shwedan. It is very, very, very undervalued. And there's tips that you can use in your day-to-day living, in your current, and that's why I said you can apply everything that you learn from here into your current way of living. And if this is the only thing you watch, and if you learn how to manage money, you learn how to make money and multiply money through this platform, that's the goal of iGenius right here. So that's Money Pro, right? So again, tips and strategies, money media, buying a car, how you spend on vacation, 12 saves at Christmas. It's insane, right? 5 tips for newlyweds. It's insane amount of things that you can show to people and say, you know what, we're not just a Forex company. I want to drill that into your head. Okay, we are not just a Forex trading company. We're not just a Forex education company. We are financial literacy. And being financially literate comes with how to manage your money, right? And this is what it teaches you. So that's what Money Pro is. Now, what does Money Pro comes with a choice membership? So every person that gets involved in iGenius, this should be one of their goals, is to actually finish off Money Pro, right? And every single one of us that didn't say we finished it should go back to our goals chart or our to-do list and put it down there. Do Money Pro, finish Money Pro, take a weekend, half a weekend, and say, you know what, I'm going to spend the weekend just learning or just going through Money Pro, right? We spoke about Market Pro. Now, Forex Thrive is FX Pro and Binary Pro. We're going to speak about that when we go through Telegram just a little later. Commodities alerts, again, we'll speak about that when we go through Telegram, okay? So that's what you get, and then we'll talk about Endow at the end. But that's what you get as a choice member, okay? It's insane. Trust me when I say this. I'm here in South Africa. You guys are all over the world, but I've seen, so many different Forex gurus out there that sell signals, that sell courses. Some of their courses are $1,500. Okay, they don't come with mentorship. They don't come with updates. They don't come with ask the trader, ask the expert any questions. Their signals, you get their signals. It's hit or miss, right? It's either they win or they lose. That's it. I know signals is like that, but they're charging people $99, $199 a month just for signals. Again, it's one of the services we get with iGenius is our signals and alerts on top of everything else, right? So that's where you need to be like, okay, cool. I have access to this and I have access to everything. So let's deep dive into the select membership. Because if you're a choice member on this call, amazing. But as you can see, you're paying the same monthly fee, but it's $75 more. It's a no-brainer to go select, because cryptocurrency, and I read a quote today, the guy said, the only way in the next 5 to 10 years, sorry, the quickest way in the next 5 to 10 years to become a millionaire is through crypto. And trust me when I say this, that is the truth, okay? I've seen so many people go from nothing, not having a net asset value close to millions, to having a few million in the bank account, okay, because of cryptocurrency. We are actually living through the age of crypto. So put away, learn, invest, understand why your money can move so fast. I mean, if you put $1,000 into Ethereum last week, your Ethereum today is $1,900. Guys, that's $900 in a week. That's all I have to say to you, is if you figure out what you need to do and where to put your money in crypto, you can make a boatload of money and you'll become a millionaire. That is the guarantee with cryptocurrencies. If you buy the right coins and you do the right research, and you don't buy these scam coins, and you learn from the learned lives, you'll be significantly wealthy, okay? So cryptocurrency, we spoke about it. You've got access to the university. We're going to go through the Telegram chats. The Telegram chats are next level. That's where the cryptocurrency membership, the select membership, sorry, kicks in, is with the crypto chats, okay? You also get access to Travel Pro, powered by Wanderlust, and then you get access to Sequelizer. Now, what is Sequelizer? It is SK. So that's why I said, let's wait a little bit. Let's talk about this, because SK is only a select and above membership benefit. So the Sequelizer, how it works is this guy from Germany, his name is Stefan. He created this system, right, in Germany. And the system was based on institutional trading. So if you don't understand, there's the difference. There's retail trading and then there's institutional trading. There's just two different types of trading. There's no right or wrong method of trading, right? They each have their own win ratio. But this is for someone that says, hey, I don't like retail traders. I like institutional trading. I like to trade like a bank, blah, blah, blah. Great. We have something for you. It's called the Sequelizer. And how it works is this guy has created the platform to actually teach you on how the Sequelizer method works and how the system he's created actually works. So firstly, you have the academy, the SK Academy. Now it's going to teach you again everything you need to know on how the SK Academy works and how to actually use it on TradingView, how he breaks down his trades, how he finds his profit levels, etc. I've been through it. It's a very, very extensive course. It requires you to understand what retail trading is first before you go into this. That's why there's a process where you follow choice and then into select, right? But trust me when I say this, his analysis is spot on. And we're going to go through his Telegram group, but his analysis is spot on, right? So you have the Advanced Academy, which he goes into how to create a healthy account. This one's really cool, of how to compound an account over time. And then it's obviously translated. And then SK Crypto, which is the same thing, but just in the crypto language. Now, that is what you get with SK, but it's more about the Telegram group and the Telegram alerts. That's the SK channel. So let's talk about, guys, any questions so far on the select membership, just let me know before we go to lifestyle, which is Travel Pro. Okay, nothing so far. So guys, this is not our main service. I want you to be very clear with this. This is not our main service. This is a third-party service provider, but this is a search engine. I was in a travel company a few years ago, right? For a long time. And we use the service engine. You just white label it to something else. That is all it is, okay? It's a service, it's a booking engine. It's a search engine that is accessible to everyone. This is the main search engine where people come and say, okay, cool. They go to a company and they're like, hey, Wanderlust, we want to use your product on our company. We're going to change it. We're going to change the name, but you're going to give us the same results. That is what it is, right? iGenius is not like that. iGenius says, cool, we just make a connection with Wanderlust. We give it to our members. They get the discounts, done. They don't really care about taking a percentage on your flights and accommodation and charging you for extra for having Travel Pro and membership. No, it's just an added benefit. Okay, so again, who here has used? I know a lot of people use this. I know a lot of people haven't used this as well. Who here has used Wanderlust to book anything? Let me know if you've used. Let's see where can we book. Give me some, let's say London. Okay, I'm just showing you how this works. Okay, I'm just showing you how it works. And basically, this is accommodation. It works like any normal search engine. Okay, it's book air ticket to Uganda and paid half price. Exactly, guys. And booked an air ticket to Uganda and paid half price. Because again, this is what you pay. Now, you can go out there, you can go to booking.com, you can go find this place. This is not our main product. We financial education and lifestyle, right? The lifestyle part just kicks in here. You can figure out what you want, where you want to go. Everything is there. Not our main product, guys. It's just an added benefit. Travel Pro, if you're a select and above member, you have access to it. It's free. Use it. If you're going on a business trip, you know you've got Travel Pro, use it. Okay, you're not paying extra for it. You're going to book travel anyway. Might as well use your search engine to find where you want to go. Small holiday homes, flights, rentals. What else do they give you? Okay, flights, bundles, cruises, cars, recreation. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, so go through it. You'll understand why you get benefits with this part of the membership. Now, if we go back, okay, you spoke about Travel Pro, we spoke about Sequelizer. That's the select membership. So it's your choice membership plus your select membership. Now, understand for $75 more just on the once-off fee, it's absolutely no reason why you should be a choice member. There should be no reason why we should have choice members. Yes, I get it. When people join, the customers join, and when maybe you join and you are a choice member, you didn't know really what the other membership's all about. That's why we're having this call. But now that you see, okay, cool, I'm paying $99 a month, I'm a choice member, man, I should just upgrade $75 more, pay the difference, okay? And now I'm a select member, I'm still paying the same monthly fee, and I'm getting way more than I actually bargained for, right? Now let's shift to premium. Now, when I talk about premium and I talk about elite, there's only a few differences between the two. Premium, you got Equity Prime, which is all about Telegram, okay? And we're gonna dive into the Telegram chat. But elite is where you have, okay, Endotech and you have CoinBlue. But let's talk about the Telegram chat before we go into the actual Endotech and actual elite membership on what you get with the elite membership, right? So let's find Telegram. Give me a second. Let me open my Telegram up into Alerts One. Okay. So I've got Alerts One opened up. Just let me know if you can see my screen. Sometimes my Telegram doesn't share properly. Just let me know if you can see my screen, guys. Perfect. Cool. Okay. So we spoke about this, right? We spoke about what you get with the education side, with access to Learn Live. Now this is where it kicks in, and this is where you actually get the true value of being a part of a community that is continuously updated. Because this is the select membership, right? If you're part of the select membership and above, you'll get Crypto Core. If you're part of premium and above, you'll get Equity Prime and everything and Equity Prime. If you choice, you'll get FX Pro and Binary Pro, okay? And you'll get commodities. If you are select and above, you get SK Academy. And then everyone gets access to these ones here. So when we talk about, let's talk about choice first. So when you're a choice member, you get access to Forex Drive, so FX Pro and Binary Pro. So you can see each trader. So let's go through this, right? Zeta, LDS, Atlas, Alpha, Theta, IOTA, Legacy, Resistance. These are traders. These are experts. They're providing you signals. Every single one of them has a performance percentage. You see the performance here under the performance group. So you click performance, You'll get the performance pickup here. Not sure if you guys can see this, but you'll be able to see, okay, cool. Theta in July, he had a really good month. 20 trades, out of 24 trades, 20 were profitable. IOTA, which we all love, out of 62 trades, 42 were profitable. Zeta, out of 2 trades, 1 were profitable. Okay, 50% ratio. Legacy, LDS, resistance, etc. So you can go through them. You can see which ones you actually feel comfortable being in and which ones you want to take. Myself personally, I'm in Theta and I'm in IOTA. Okay, I know some of my team members are in resistance and they love resistance. Okay, I just can't handle too many chats buzzing the entire day because I have other things that I'm doing as well. So, you know, you can figure out which ones that you like, which ones are profitable for you, which ones come in at the right times for you. Remember, we're all on different time zones, and each one of these signal providers are sending signals at different time zones. Okay, so you might be in the USA or you might be in Australia, and your time zones are completely opposite. So again, figure out which time zone works for you. Now, with the choice membership, you get access to Binary Pro. Now, Binary Pro is binary options trading, okay? Now, binary option, okay. Before we go there, FX Pro Basics is the guy, his name is Ralph. He does the basic education. This is where he throws in all his education, his topics, everything, his homework for you guys, all of that is here. Now, if you don't have some of these chats, you need to re-verify your account, okay? All you got to do is just put in your username, just say /verify, and put your member ID, email, and then all the new chats will come up, right? So Binary Pro, you got Omega, you got Alpha, and you got Delta. That's Spanish, so only Omega and Alpha. Now, this guy, he basically goes live. Sorry, he doesn't go live. He drops trades in during the day, and as you can see, that's how he trades. He just drops signals in the group, and then Alpha is Devin. He goes live every single day, as you can see. He goes live, you jump on Zoom, and you trade with him. Binary options, different way of trading, quicker, faster, make money within minutes. That's what they call it. Forex, a little bit different, a little bit longer, a little bit more technically involved. So you pick which one you want to do, and you pick the different groups you want to follow. Commodities, okay, I want to make this very known. Commodities is where you'll be trading indices, okay, index funds. There are some gold traders in here as well. So you'll see, you know, buy the Dow Jones, which is the US 30. You'll have, you know, they're very successful. They're very successful as well. But again, it comes with a lot of, you know, learning and risk. Sorry, I clicked the wrong one. It comes with a lot of learning. It comes with a lot of risk because, again, you want to actually, this one is in, I think this is in another language. I don't know what language this is. But yeah, Spanish, this one is in Spanish. So, sorry, man, I keep clicking binary. Here, Gamma. So I know Gamma, one of our team members, Shamim, he likes Gamma, very profitable trader as well. And as you can see, you know, it's a NASDAQ trader. So it's an index fund. You can see sell the US, the Dow Jones 30. So it's a US 30 market. So the commodities groups is, I don't advise anyone to go into commodities until they've actually traded currency pairs and gold. Okay. If you haven't traded currencies, don't go into commodities. You're going to get a rude awakening from commodities and how fast it moves and how fast money can actually lose, right? So that's what you get access to with choice, okay? That is your choice membership. Again, $99 for a significant amount of information, chats, alerts, and ways to make money. Upgraded to select, you get everything what we just spoke about, plus all of these crypto chats. Now, people don't even understand what these crypto chats are all about and how you can make money using these crypto chats, right? So the first one is swing positions, okay? Swing and position alerts based on technical chart patterns, right? So we look at it, okay, and we scroll through it, you'll understand, you know, this was today, you know, Ethereum is up in today's position and currently sits right at the top of the long-term Fibonacci. Now this works hand in hand with Dave Bush. So you would have seen the Learn Live, okay? Here's he here. Hey everyone, join us for this week's crypto theme. He's going live today, right here. Everyone, did you miss the crypto live analysis? That's basically Dave Bush, okay, starting in 30 minutes. And he breaks down the crypto market. This is his channel. This is where, you know, he puts in his analysis, which he spoke about, and where it's going for the week, and updates it all the time. As you can see, they give you trades on those lives where they say buy algo. Okay, Algorand is up 7% from, you know, the entry after becoming a full-size position. So again, you know, if you listen to the Learn Live every week, he'll tell you, buy this coin, we're looking at this coin, this is why we should buy into this coin, we'll make a quick 7 to 10% gain. You know, see here, crypto will now look to bring this alert up to full position. So, you know, it's something that you should look at, because you have access to it, firstly, and secondly, if you want cryptocurrency gains, you know, you should want to position yourself in the right coins, like I said. And then crypto alerts, right? So crypto alerts, let's talk about crypto alerts. These are the actual signals that you get of when to buy and when to sell the market. Now, how do you do this? There's two ways you can do this, right? There's two ways you can do this. If you're a brand new person and you're a beginner, because you can even see it tells you which exchange to buy on Binance. If you're a brand new trader in crypto, you will just spot trade it, right? Spot trade it. But if you are an advanced trader and you know how to trade, you will actually leverage trade it, okay? You will futures trade it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you shouldn't even look into futures trading. That means you should just spot trade it. Meaning, he said buy Solana, okay, at the certain price, okay, safe entries at $32, aggressive entry, buy now, there's your target, there's your stop loss, okay? So he will put in alerts, and there's alerts that take place when you have, you know, there's ApeCoin. I know we made a boatload of money on ApeCoin, and it just gives you setups, etc. All of that is here, Ethereum. So that is the crypto alerts, okay? You use that in conjunction with your exchanges. Crypto Talk is just a platform which will give you alerts that says, hey guys, we're going live. It's run by Anthony and it's run by JPal. Now, as you can see, this was from the other day's call, NFT volume, which Anthony did. And then JPal will be, I'm pretty sure I saw him up somewhere here. Let's see. Yeah, it was somewhere here. I saw him the other day. He went live in this group. But whatever they speak about on their lives, that is where they will put in the information. So Anthony, the other day, I put it in our trading room. He said, you know, a month ago, he said buy, sell, and at 3x today, okay? You know, Crypto Core Omega is an Arabic platform. Crypto Research Pro, okay? Crypto Research Pro researches new coins and old coins, which have great potential. Now, I'll give you an example. So if you are a crypto investor, okay, and you understand this, let me know if you can see this thing that says research hot, okay? Let me know if you see that. Just drop a yes if you can see this, pop up. Okay, perfect. So these are basically white paper, right? Now, what they mean is, when everyone asks, you know, how do you research crypto? How do you know these coins are good? There's 15,000 coins. Don't stress. The company is doing it for you, okay? Find the white paper, which is this. This is our white paper, and everything is in here. Who founded the coin? What is its purpose? Okay, what is it used for? What are the advantages, disadvantages of the coin? How to buy it, right? It's a decentralized coin, and therefore it is done for you. You can scroll to different coins that you want to research. You can go to, this is a really cool, I bought this coin, it's crazy. But you can keep on scrolling and finding different coins and reading up on the coins and being like, okay, cool, I understand this. Maybe I want to get involved in this project. Maybe I want to put some money in it, but it's done for you, right? That's the point of being a member in iGenius. It's done for you. NFT Research Pro, a little bit high level if you are in the NFT space, but again, all new projects that are viable, that people should buy, are in here, okay? So these are all the NFT projects that you should buy. It's in here. And then NFT Search, Same thing here, but these are flips. So NFT Research Pro will tell you which ones to buy and hold for a long term. Here, it'll tell you the mint date, it'll tell you where you should exit, the mint price, and then you just, you do it and you exit, and just, it's something that Jay Powell is doing. He's running this NFT search and flipping place. So basically, that's what you get with the select membership. Again, we can go on and on and on and talk about it, but it's so much of value, right? Now, Equity Prime, if we look at it, Options Pro, a lot of people don't even understand this stuff. Again, you have to do the university. You have to do the Equity University. It links into the person that's doing the Learn Live. Here we go. See, he does Options Pro. It starts in 30 minutes. Everything that he speaks about on the Learn Live, the signals and the alerts that he's trading live is done here, right? And we have Trend Pro. Now, this is utilizing the stock exchange. So I'll give you an example. Let's find an example here. Maybe this is the wrong group. This is actually the futures market. This is the futures market Portfolio Pro. So Portfolio Pro is using the stock exchange. So if you want to start investing into the stock exchange, you can. You just find the actual app that you use. I use eToro. I know it's utilized all over the world. eToro. You can buy stock. You can buy Citigroup stock. You can buy Netflix stock. You can buy Apple stock. You can trade the stock. So again, if you are a premium member and you want to do that, again, another huge opportunity. Scalping here on the stock market. Here, AMC. You can buy. So I'm not sure if you know this, but you can trade these stocks like Forex. So a lot of Forex brokers allow you to trade these stocks. I've done it. You'll go into your broker, you go into your Forex broker, you basically put in AMC and you trade the stock, okay? You trade, I'll show you here, we took a trade on Uber somewhere here. Here we go, okay? We traded Uber, right? So you can make money whichever way you want to, utilizing the platform. So that will give you, equity. We have SK Academy, which I wanted to touch on. We're going to speak about it a little bit more. I know I've only got a few more minutes, and then we're going to go into a Q&A with you guys. But this is, Stefan. Again, as I said, Stefan created this, and this chat is when he goes live, so this is not really relevant. It's this one here, the Sequelizer channel. He puts down breakdowns on, different currency pairs. As I said, he trades in a very different manner. He trades using institutional trading methods. It's not loading on my laptop. I don't know why. And then you have crypto. He's doing the exact same thing. I don't even know why it's doing this when I'm already part of this channel. Yeah, so crypto. And as you can see, we did Rune. We bounced off that area and we up, right? It's just signals and it's amazing. It's very profitable. So that is the Telegram groups. It's insane amount of groups. I understand it's a lot of groups, but if you find like cryptocurrency, you can look at it once a day. You don't have to look at it the entire day. Or you can look at it once every 2 days. Sequelizer, obviously you look at it every day. Forex groups, you look at it every day. But you find it and how it can fit into your lifestyle, how it can fit into your life. And that's where, you can actually find the benefit of using the services. Now, lastly, okay, before we wrap it up for, we're going to speak about these three things right here. So CoinPro, we just jumped off a live a few minutes ago on CoinPro. And basically what CoinPro is, so if you're an elite member, right, it is pure automation. The goal with elite is to be automated, is to have automated software running for it to be trading for you. CoinPro is one of those. You can jump onto it. You can read up on what CoinPro and what CoinRule is all about. Now, CoinRule, simply put, just trades your cryptocurrency based on certain templates and rules, right? And then Crypto Elite is obviously what everyone wants to get. Everyone aspires to get. It's the Endotech bot connected with your money, and it trades for you. You can go out there and you can see how to actually connect your Endotech bot, what it actually makes you for on the Endotech site. But if you didn't know, there's this thing called Endotech Academy for you elite members. Okay, there's this thing called Endotech Academy. And I get so many questions because I've set up so many of these bots. But I now refer them here and I'm like, guys, go to the academy, learn on it, research it, so you'll be able to do it on your own. Now, the academy is basically how to deposit funds, how to create your API keys, how to create new API keys on Gemini, on Bitfinex, on the different exchanges, how to actually connect your first strategy using Bitfinex, how to create a sub account, how to withdraw, how to deposit. Everything is here. You find your exchange. So if you're on Binance, you just basically, all the Binance ones come up. Okay, just let it load. Okay, all the Binance ones come up. There's it right here. If you're on a different exchange, Coinbase, FTX, Gemini, everything is there for you to understand how it works. So I'm going to open up the floor now to questions so that you guys can ask me some questions. If you're struggling with certain things, if you need to know where certain things are, if you just have questions, just drop it. I know a lot of people in the group had questions. So if you can drop it in the chat now, on anything customer related, anything on service related, let me know, what are you guys having issues with? What can we better? What don't you understand? Okay, let me know. Or if you don't have any questions, type all good and we good. So Anne says, what? This is the most yeah, Anne. So this is the point. We don't, our team and the people in our organizations, we don't know how much of value iGenius gives to us. We don't know how much of value that our membership is providing to us. So if there aren't any questions, guys, we can wrap this call up. What's the best advice if one wants to get started on NFT? I want to explore that area. Okay, so Shweta, the best advice for you to get started on NFTs, step one is you watch JPal every week. That is set as a, let me show it to you. So this is for some people that don't know, right? You go to Learn Live, you go to live sessions. If you want to learn NFTs, you find JPal here is every single Monday. Okay, what's today? Thursday. Let's go back to Monday. So Monday, sorry, that's one more day. So step one would be find this guy, JPal. Click this little button called subscribe. You will get an email every single time he goes live, okay? That will be the first thing to actually do, is click the little subscribe button. So the step one is watch every single JPal video in the last few weeks, so you'll understand and you can catch up. You don't watch everything, like the last 3 or 4 you can watch, right? The second one would be to join the NFT Research Pro group, right? That's going to actually give you, so it's pointless now to go out there and buy NFTs that are like a year old or 6 months old. There's no need to buy that. They still have value, but they don't have, when I say hype, they don't have hype around it. They don't have people wanting to get it. Okay, there's no open market for it yet. So OpenSea is there and you can learn from it. But that is the 2 ways that I believe you can actually kill the NFT game. And that's the way you should actually do it. Okay. What is US 100 in MT5? So US 100 in MT5 is NASDAQ. Okay. NASDAQ is the top 100, they call it US 100, is because it's the top 100 companies in the USA, all put into one basket called an index fund, and it has a value, right? And you can trade it. And that is what you trade when the group say buy NASDAQ or sell NASDAQ or sell US 100, buy US 100. It is the NASDAQ, right? So sometimes it's called US Tech. So your broker might have it as US 100. It'll have it as NAS 100 or US Tech, USTECH. It just depends on your broker and what they have it for. Sandy says, okay, you're struggling to take oil trades. I can see 3 symbols with oil, but not sure which one to use. So oil, you can only trade oil USA and oil UK, but oil is mostly traded with oil USA. And you say you can see 3 symbols with oil, but not sure which one to use. So let me just look quickly. what oil is trading at. Oil. So oil. So Brent crude oil. Let me just open that up. Okay, there we go. So Sandy, is it? Sandy, so when you say which, you see 3 symbols with oil, but not sure which one you can take. I'm not sure what you mean with that. If you can redo your question, I'll answer that. But when you say CL oil, it's generally crude oil, okay? It's generally crude oil, which is either Oil USA, crude oil. It's in your broker at that name, right? And how does your calendar and diary look like? Please share how you manage your time to be so efficient. Honestly, it's insane. Honestly, it's just crazy. My phone is with me 24/7. You can ask Priyanka, my wife, and it goes off like mad, and we continuously just using it. I don't have a schedule. I'm not one of those people that I can't answer that question. I don't believe there is such a thing as how you can actually physically manage certain aspects when markets happen the entire day, crypto changes the entire day. So again, your day is going to be continuously changing. Unfortunately, that is the way you make money in the financial markets and in the space. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Should I another question? What platform do you use to trade shares and equities like long-term? eToro. I use this app called eToro, okay, and put it in the chat. Yeah, eToro is the app. You can hold it long-term. You can buy Netflix shares, you can buy Apple stocks, and it's open for the world. You don't have to be certain nationalities. Like there is an app for the USA. So if you're from the US, you use Robinhood. And it's a very easy app for you guys to use in the USA, the Robinhood app. But unfortunately, us outside of the US, we can't use it. So eToro is the app that we use to buy stocks on the US stock market. Okay. I don't know if Sandy, if you want to redo your question, but if you don't, you can private message me, drop me a WhatsApp if you want to. Any other questions, guys? If there isn't any other questions, then we can wrap this up. Just let me know. I'll give it 1 more minute. Okay, I don't think there's any more questions. If you guys do have any questions, guys, I just want you to drop it in the trading room. Don't feel scared to drop it in the trading room. Put it there. There's like 500 people there. Someone's going to answer your question, okay? Someone will answer your question. Don't feel scared to answer the questions. We here as a community, as a team expansion worldwide, we want to learn, we want to grow, we want to help each other make money. There's an abundance of money out there. I say this to everyone. There's an abundance of money out there. Don't feel scared that you can't do it. This is the platform for you to actually make this thing happen and actually grow your wealth, invest in the right things, and buy the right coins, buy the right investments, and also take the right trades. But I hope you guys had value from that. And yeah, from me to you, again, have a beautiful evening, night from wherever you are. Thank you so much for plugging in, and I'll speak to you guys soon.